I'm about to show you something that's going to make you question every dollar you have ever spent on a smartwatch. While Garmin are charging over $3,000 or more for premium wearables, and Apple wants a mortgage payment for their Apple Watch, there are smart bands out there delivering 90% of the flagship experience for less than $100. Some of these budget beasts even outperform those premium watches if you choose the smart options that I'm going to reveal in the next minutes. We're talking about bands with incredible health tracking, gorgeous AMOLED displays, and battery life that flagship smartwatches simply can't match. I've spent weeks testing bands, diving deep into long-term user reviews, and putting them up against the biggest names in the wearable market. And honestly, what I found was shocking. They do have some downsides though, which we'll go over together. Let's start things off with the Amazon Halo Band, a real curveball in the world of fitness wearables. This thing wasn't flashy. No bright AMOLED screen, no app downloads, nothing to catch your eye at first glance. If anything, it looked almost too plain sitting next to all those tech-packed bands on store shelves. But that's actually what made the Halo Band memorable. When Amazon dropped this device, it cost somewhere between $30 and $50, ridiculously cheap for a big-name tech company's fitness tracker. People figured it'd just count your steps, slap on an Amazon logo, and call it a day. That's not what Amazon had in mind though. Battery life wasn't bad either. Depending on how much you used it, you'd get close to a week before needing to recharge. Compared to smartwatches that spend half their life plugged into the wall, the Halo Band was low maintenance. Of course, it had some pretty glaring downsides. Amazon pulled the plug on the whole Halo platform, so now it's more of a quirky footnote than a must-buy gadget. Still, you gotta give it credit, it caught everyone off guard. For the cost of a decent takeout order, you got a fitness band packed with AI health insights that more expensive brands weren't even trying. The Halo Band had its flaws, but it proved that affordable didn't always mean boring. If you picked up the Amazfit Band 7 without seeing the price tag, you'd probably guess it costs around $100. It really doesn't look or feel like a budget fitness band. The screen is where it first surprises you. Most affordable trackers have tiny displays, but here you get a big, crisp 1.47-inch AMOLED display. It's bright, colorful, and super sharp. Notifications are easy to read, workout data pops right out at you, and scrolling through the menus actually feels a lot like using a smartwatch, not just a simple band. Then you find out the price. It's only around $40 to $50. Suddenly you realize it's punching way above its weight, offering features that other brands usually reserve for models twice as expensive. The health tracking covers a lot too. The Band 7 keeps tabs on your heart rate, blood oxygen, stress, and sleep quality all day. It gives you breathing exercises and wellness reports in the Zepp app, and there's even a one-tap measurement mode. If you're really into fitness, the Band 7 doesn't hold back. It supports over 120 sports modes: running, yoga, swimming, strength training, rowing, cycling, and a bunch of niche activities you might never try. It can also auto-detect some common workouts, so you're not stuck trying to remember whether you hit start before your run. You can check the weather, set alarms, add things to your shopping list, control smart home gadgets, or just ask quick questions without lifting a finger. It's a feature you almost never see on budget trackers, and it adds some real everyday convenience. Nothing's perfect, and to keep the price this low, Amazfit had to cut a few corners. There's no built-in GPS, so you'll still need your phone for outdoor runs if you want accurate tracking. The body is all plastic, not exactly premium, but not unexpected at this price. Alexa also needs your phone for an internet connection. Still, for under $50, you get a beautiful AMOLED screen, battery life that leaves smartwatches in the dust, solid health tracking, tons of workout modes, and even Alexa. Honestly, it outshines a few entry-level Fitbits that cost a lot more. If you thought the Amazfit Band 7 raised the bar for budget fitness bands, the Huawei Band 10 cranks it up even higher. This is one of those wearables where people see it on your wrist and say, wait, that only cost about $50. Honestly, you'd never guess by looking at it. Just take in the design. Huawei's been working for years to make their wearables look way more expensive than their price tags suggest, and the Band 10 might be their best effort yet. There's a slim body, smooth curved edges, a polished finish, and that bright, punchy AMOLED display. It's the kind of style that feels much closer to a high-end smartwatch than a basic fitness tracker. And it's light, like really light. Slip it on, and after a few minutes, you almost forget you're even wearing it. That's a pretty big deal. Heavy smartwatches get annoying fast, especially when you're sleeping or working out. The Band 10's featherweight design is why a lot of people end up wearing it 24/7 without a second thought. That's kind of the whole point, actually, because Huawei has packed some impressive sleep tracking tech into this little band. Their True Sleep system has been refined year after year, and it really stands out here. You don't just get a sleep duration summary, The Band 10 breaks down your sleep stages, shows you when your rest was interrupted, checks your breathing quality, and maybe best of all, gives you tailored tips to actually help you sleep better going forward. During your day, the Band 10 keeps tracking your heart rate, mainly thanks to Huawei's newest sensors. Whether you're at your desk, running, or pushing for one last set at the gym, it's always watching for anything out of the ordinary and gives you a heads up if something's off. The fitness features are strong too. You get support for dozens of workout types, automatic exercise detection for the basics, and thorough session reports once you finish. Walking, cycling, swimming, rowing, lifting, most of the standards are already here. Then there's battery life. You can run all these features every day and still get 10 to 14 days on a single charge. Instead of obsessing over battery life, you just plug it in every couple of weeks and go about your life. Enjoying the video so far? Hit that like button and subscribe because our top 3 picks are where things get really interesting. Xiaomi's smart bands used to be the go-to cheap option if you couldn't afford a Fitbit. Not anymore. The Smart Band 10 doesn't just copy its pricier rivals, it actually tries to outdo them, and honestly, it pulls it off. For about $50 to $60, you get features that would have seemed wild for a budget fitness tracker just a few years back. The display is the real standout here. Xiaomi went all in with a big, vivid AMOLED screen. Colors pop. Blacks look rich. You can see everything easily, even in bright sunlight. Notifications, workout info, the time. Everything feels smooth, responsive, and way better than you'd expect for the price. But great hardware isn't everything. Xiaomi also worked on the software side. This version comes with HyperOS, tying the band right into the wider Xiaomi ecosystem. Phones, tablets, earbuds, smart home gadgets. When it comes to health tracking, the Smart Band 10 covers all the basics. It keeps tabs on your heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep, stress levels, calories, and regular activity. It handles all sorts of workouts, from running and cycling to swimming and strength exercises. Battery life is another big draw. Despite the bright screen and non-stop health tracking, you can usually get up to 2 weeks on a single charge. So you spend more time wearing it and less time hunting for a charger, which is really how a fitness tracker should work. Sure, the band isn't perfect. Some features only work if you pair it with a smartphone, and serious athletes who want built-in GPS will need something more advanced. For most folks, though, you just can't beat the value. The Xiaomi Smart Band 10 offers a top-notch display, solid health tracking, great battery, sharp software, and strong ecosystem support, all for a price that won't wreck your budget. It proves you don't need to spend a fortune for a quality wearable, and that's why it keeps winning as one of the best budget smart bands out there. If you've ever browsed Huawei's fitness bands and thought, I wish there was something just as good, but with its own twist, the Honor Band 10 is probably what you've been waiting for. A lot of people see it as one of the best alternatives to a Huawei band right now. Right away, the thing that jumps out is the display. Honor put a bright AMOLED screen on the Band 10, and it looks way more expensive than you'd expect. Colors are bold, animations are smooth, and the whole interface is so straightforward that you never find yourself lost in menus. The design deserves a shout too. Lots of budget fitness bands lean heavily on function, but the Honor Band 10 goes further. It's got this clean, minimalist style that fits in with office clothes just as easily as it blends in at the gym. It's slim, not bulky, and light enough that you forget you've got it on, day or night. That actually matters because Honor wants you to wear it 24/7. The Band 10 covers all the big health bases: heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep tracking, and day-to-day activity. But the feature that catches most people off guard is its stress tracking. The band watches for changes in your body throughout the day, and if your stress levels creep up, it actually lets you know in real time. Fitness tracking checks all the right boxes. There's support for dozens of exercise types, automatic workout detection for some of the usual activities, and afterwards you get clear summaries showing how you did. Running, cycling, swimming, hitting a daily step target, it never seems to fall behind. And the battery life? Hard to beat. Even if you keep all the health tracking turned on, most people get close to 2 weeks on a single charge. That kind of staying power makes a lot of smartwatches look like battery hogs. Instead of charging every night, you'll probably only need to hunt for your charger twice a month. For the price, you get a rich AMOLED display, solid health tracking, smart stress management, impressive battery life, and a genuinely nice daily user experience. Honor took what people already liked about Huawei's fitness bands, gave it their own spin, and managed to keep it affordable. It's honestly hard to pass up. Here's where things really start to level up. Everything on this list so far is great for the price, but the Garmin Vivosmart 5 doesn't care about being cheap, it cares about being right. That's why so many runners, cyclists, and pretty much anyone who takes their workouts seriously keep coming back to Garmin, year in and year out. You're looking at around $130 to $150 for the Vivosmart 5, so it's definitely pricier than the budget bands we just talked about. But once you strap it on, you see where the extra money goes. Garmin's been doing the fitness tech thing for decades, and you feel that experience in the details. The heart rate tracking stands out. No matter if you're at your desk, sweating through intervals, or just out for a walk, the data feels spot on. It's solid enough that serious athletes trust it with their training, and that's not something you can say about every bargain tracker out there. That's a huge reason athletes stick with Garmin. Fitness tracking is another area where the Vivosmart 5 shines. Steps, calories, heart rate, pulse ox, respiration, sleep, stress, hydration, it covers all bases. And when you pair it with your phone's GPS, you get solid info on pace, distance, and your route, all viewable in Garmin Connect. Battery life? No complaints. You can get about a week out of a single charge, even with all-day health tracking. Sure, some bands stretch battery life to 2 weeks, but compared to most smartwatches that need juice every night, this is way more convenient. That's why so many dedicated athletes pick Garmin over brands with bigger screens and longer lists of features. If what you want is accurate tracking, dependable health data, and training insights that actually make a difference, the Garmin Vivosmart 5 shows that spending a little extra can make all the difference. Here's where fitness bands step up. They don't just count your steps anymore. With the Fitbit Charge 6, your slim band feels more like a mini smartwatch than ever before. This thing isn't just popular, it's evidence that you don't need a chunky smartwatch strapped to your wrist to get the best health features out there. The price? It isn't cheap. Expect to pay around $150 to $180, but it's honestly worth every dollar. Now that Google owns Fitbit, the Charge 6 really goes all in with Google's services. The best example? Google Maps works right on your wrist. You can get turn-by-turn navigation when you're out walking, biking, or wandering around a new city. Your phone can stay tucked away in your bag or pocket. Here's another one, YouTube Music. If you've got Bluetooth headphones, music controls land right on your wrist. Skip tracks, hit pause, adjust volume, all without breaking your workout flow. It feels minor at first, but once you've got it, you'll miss it on any band that skips this feature. Of course, health tracking is Fitbit's bread and butter, and the Charge 6 sticks to what's always worked. Heart rate, sleep, blood oxygen, stress, skin temperature, daily activity, it keeps tabs on it all and does it well. There's an ECG app built in, so you can check for signs of irregular heart rhythms in seconds. It's not the same as pro medical equipment, but a few years ago, you needed a $400 smartwatch just to get anything like it. But raw data doesn't really help much unless it makes sense. Fitbit gets that. The app takes all those stats and turns them into real advice. How well you're recovering, how ready you are for your next workout, your stress levels, your sleep quality. Everything's clear. You don't need to be a fitness nerd to understand it. Of course, there are a couple of gripes. Some of the fancier health insights need a Fitbit Premium subscription. Kind of annoying when you've just paid for the device. And you won't find an endless app store like you might on a big smartwatch. But all in all, the Charge 6 nails what matters. Great health sensors, ECG, Google Maps, YouTube Music, and top-notch fitness tracking in a slim, lightweight band. If you want serious health features without a smartwatch weighing down your wrist or draining your wallet, this is the one to get. Alright, here's where things really veer off in a different direction. Every other smart band we've talked about, they've all got screens. You get notifications, see your workout data, check the time, maybe even mess around with music or maps. The Whoop 5.0? Forget all that. It's got no display, nothing, just a sleek band. And yet, this thing is everywhere among pros. Top athletes, world-class trainers, and anyone chasing elite performance swear by it. Yeah, it feels a bit backwards. So why would anyone drop cash on a fitness band that doesn't even tell the time? Because Whoop sees things differently than everyone else. Their whole idea is simple. Recovery is king, not activity. Most trackers nudge you to get your steps in, close your rings, keep moving. Whoop flips the script. It's always measuring how well your body is bouncing back. And if you care about sleep, Whoop shines there too. It doesn't just log your hours, it breaks down your sleep stages, tells you how restorative your night was, and even straight up recommends what time you should hit the hay to feel your best. Honestly, if you're trying to perform at your peak, that info is gold. But there's a catch. You don't actually buy a Whoop. You subscribe to it. No big upfront purchase. You pay a monthly fee. That covers the band itself, updates, analytics, coaching, and new features. Some folks hate the idea of monthly payments. But the Whoop crowd? Most of them love it. Why? They're not buying a gadget, they're buying insights. The data isn't just boring charts and numbers. It feels like advice from a coach who learns your body a little better each day. Is it for everyone? Nope. If you want notifications, music controls, or even just a digital clock, look somewhere else. Whoop skips all those bells and whistles. Instead, it's laser-focused, helping you perform your best. And for a ton of serious athletes and people obsessed with fitness, that's the reason they stick with Whoop year after year. If you just picked up the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 and had no idea what it cost, odds are you'd guess it sells for well over $150. That's because everything about it, look, feel, and even the way you interact with it feels a lot more premium than you'd expect. But here's where things get interesting. Most of the time, you can buy the Galaxy Fit 3 for just $60 to $80. It's honestly one of the best deals Samsung has put out in years. The first thing that really stands out is the display. Samsung dropped a giant 1.6-inch AMOLED screen onto this fitness tracker, and it makes a difference you notice right away. Reading texts, checking notifications, they're clear, bright, and don't feel crammed. Workout stats pop, menus are easy to swipe through, and everything just looks sharp. Frankly, the Galaxy Fit 3 doesn't just act like a fitness band. It's more like a smartwatch that happens to cost way less than you'd expect. The aluminum body, the slim frame, the clean finish, they all work together to give it a much pricier vibe. You could wear it to the gym, in a boardroom, or out to dinner and it'd fit right in. The health stuff is strong too. The Fit 3 tracks your heart rate, sleep, blood oxygen, and stress all day. It counts your steps, checks your daily activity, and backs you up with over 100 workout modes. It'll even spot several exercises on its own, so you don't have to remember to start a workout every time. Battery life is another highlight. Somehow Samsung gets this big, colorful screen to last up to 13 days on a single charge. That's way better than most full-featured smartwatches out there. You just don't think about charging it that often, and that's something you really notice after living with it for a while. There are a couple of downsides. There's no app store, you won't get third-party apps, and the best features are really built for Samsung phone users. If you use another Android or even an iPhone, it still works well, but the experience loses a bit of its edge. The Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 nails the basics with style. You get a fantastic display, a sturdy but stylish build, genuinely useful health features, and battery life that blows away most smartwatches. At its price, it doesn't just look like it costs more, it feels that way too. That's exactly why it's number 2 on this list. We finally hit the top spot, and to be honest, the Vivosmart 6 isn't here to wow you with glitzy features. You won't find an oversized AMOLED screen, it won't play your music or let you answer calls, and you don't get a crowded app store. But Garmin leaned into something way more meaningful, nailing health and fitness tracking and doing it better than almost anyone else. That's the whole point of the Vivosmart 6. It's the result of years spent refining wearables for runners, cyclists, hikers, and anyone serious about training their body. Garmin didn't chase every fad or throw in every feature. Instead, they built trust. And when a Garmin tells you to cool it and take a rest day, athletes listen, and you get Fitness Age, which is sneakily motivating. Instead of just telling you how many steps you racked up, it gives you a snapshot of how fit you are compared to your age, something you can actually improve by dialing in your workouts and sleep. Then there's the battery. You get nearly a week, even with everything running. That means you spend way less time hunting for a charger and more time actually collecting data that matters. When it comes to tracking your health, monitoring your recovery, staying on top of your energy, and actually seeing progress, the Vivosmart 6 punches well above its weight. Sometimes you don't need the flashiest gadget. You just need the one that helps you live better every single day. You've got 10 incredible smart bands here, and each one excels at something different. Whether you want the best value, the most accurate health tracking, incredible battery life, or premium fitness features without paying smartwatch prices, there's something on this list for everyone. Which smart band would you actually wear, and do you think they're good enough to replace a smartwatch? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more.